Hi, my name is Ruth Gordon, and I'm a graduate student at the University of Arkansas, Monticello. I'm enrolled in the course Teaching Diverse Learners, and my instructor's name is Dr. Kathleen Shahan. This is my Project 3, and I've chosen Chapter 7, Languages, with an emphasis on language diversity. According to the text on page 159, it says that the advantage of being bilingual or multilingual is often overlooked because of our belief in the superiority of our own ethnicity or culture. However, in many other countries, children are expected to become fluent in 2 or more languages and numerous dialects, so that they can communicate with other groups and appreciate language diversity. My project is to recite an original poem. My poem is entitled, When I Learn How to Write. I will tell how wet water is, how cold ice is, how hot heat is. You will feel water quench your thirst. You will feel heat warm your toes. Children will dance. Women will pray. Men will think and remember. Tears will fall. Prodigals will return. You will feel how good freedom is. I will now recite the poem in Spanish. Cuando aprendo a escribir, contaré como el agua mojada es, como el hielo frío es, como el calor caliente es. Usted sentirá que el agua apaga su sed. Usted sentirá que el calor calienta sus del pie. Los niños bailarán. Las mujeres rezarán. Los hombres pesarán y recordarán. Las regones, las lágrimas se caerán. Pródigas volverá. Usted se sentirá como bien la libertad es. By Ruth Gordon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.